Hi friends, this has been a long time coming. Where do we begin? My name is Khalesia and I am the creator behind Bosi Eats. Today I'll be making a short video. Don't worry, I will be showing you how to make a low-carb seafood salad. But first, I wanted to properly introduce myself and to tell you why you have not seen me in the videos yet. But here we are today, and I am happy. I am grateful for 313 subscribers. So I have 313 people watching this video right now, and I am extremely grateful. Cheers to many more. I'm looking forward to great things. So let's get started. So today we're going to make a low-carb seafood salad, and this is my first time making it. You normally see low-calorie or high-calorie food videos here, but today I mean, summer is around the corner. You have your cookouts, you probably have potluck at work or any gathering, and you're looking for a dish. So try this dish with me. I will let you know how it tastes, of course, in the end of the video. You're just gonna come along with me in this journey on my first time making this salad. So stick around. So let me grab what I need from the refrigerator. So I am going to need cucumbers. I got that. I'm not gonna show you guys inside of my refrigerator, okay? It's too much stuff. So here I have some frozen raw shrimp. These have already been peeled, deveined, and the tail is off. Work smart, not hard. You can find this in the grocery store, trust me. Another thing I want to do is to split the shrimp in half, like cut it this way, lengthwise, because I just want small pieces. I don't want a little thick. I don't want it to be too thick in the salad. You can leave it as is when you're doing it, but for me, I'm gonna do it this way. See, they said they deveined the shrimp, but look at that. So you still gotta, still gotta judge your thing up. Trust me, nobody wants to eat shrimp doo-doo. So let's power on this stove. And we're gonna cook our raw shrimp in here. So I'm gonna need, how much shrimp I have? Just a little bit. I'm gonna need like maybe a tablespoon of butter. Right? Or maybe not. Let's do 2 tablespoons of butter. Don't scratch up the pot, no. Let me get a spatula and serve that around. Then we're going to add our shrimp. The butter already has salt, so I'm not going to put any salt in here. Plus, the seasonings that I'll be using have a little salt as well. Just cook the shrimp for about 3 minutes. Then I'm going to add some Spice Jamaica Under the Ocean seafood seasoning. Just a little bit. Like maybe 1/4 teaspoon for the amount of shrimp that I'm using. It smells so good already. I know this salad is gonna be really good. So it's been 3 minutes and my shrimp is cooked. See? It's pink and not opaque, okay? Because we want it to still be tender. We don't want overcooked shrimp. So I think this is ready. My 3 minutes is up. Turn the stove off. I'm gonna let this cool down some and move on to making the dressing and getting the vegetables ready. I'm gonna take it off the burner. So I'm gonna work on the veggies. So this is going to be a small serving that I'm making. I'll leave the recipe in the description box below. So I'm just gonna cut up some red pepper for color. Have you tried roasted red pepper? Just eat it by itself. It's so yummy. And you can just eat this one too, raw like that. I had a 3rd grade teacher and she used to eat green bell peppers. And she would share it with the classroom. Miss Henry, never forget her. Miss Henry from Barracks Road Primary School. And I have some celery. Slice that down the middle here. I should really and truly grate this celery, but let's just chop it up finely. I don't want too much celery in there now. Let's see. So maybe like half of a stalk. So I'm gonna dice some red onions. I think this is enough. This is enough red onion. All right, one more. 2 more. When I tell you this is my first time and I have no measurements, this is all in my head, but I'm gonna put some measurements in the description box. So put the onions in here. I have some fresh dill and parsley. So I am going to, I've never used dill before, but I think you're gonna take it off the stem. I'm gonna take it off the stem. I'll cut up the parsley separate. So I am going to, dill have a very, what's the word, strong smell. You normally taste it in your pickles. I think this is a good amount. Let's say this is about 1 tablespoon of dill. Then some parsley. Parsley don't really have no taste, you know. But to me, it don't really have no taste. Let's see. I'll take my herbs, put them in here. This is a very easy salad. I have some claw crab meat. It already comes cooked, so I'm just gonna put that in there. Salad almost done, guys. Hold on. Now get you another bowl, right? And you're gonna get some mayonnaise. I didn't say this was low calorie. I said this was low carb. So if you're watching your calories, this is not for you. So I'm gonna grab 2.5 tablespoons of mayo. Then I'm gonna get some Dijon mustard. Let's add about 1 teaspoon mustard. Then I am going to add some garlic powder. So you can do 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. I'm going to add some smoked paprika, just 2 dash, because this is strong. Then I'm going to do a little honey for balance. And that's about a teaspoon. Now we're gonna give that a good mix. This is our dressing, guys. And I think I want to add a little bit more of that under the ocean seafood seasoning. So here we go. I'm gonna do a dash of this. So your dressing should look something like that. Ooh, I almost forgot. Lemon juice. Let's put a little lemon juice in there. This is a big lemon, so let me squeeze just a little bit. 1/4 teaspoon. And I am going to taste this. Let's see. Tastes good to me. Don't need nothing else. Grab our bowl here with our salad. I'm gonna pour this dressing in all over. Man, this looks like it's about to be so good. My mouth is watering. Like I said, I love food and I love good food. So now let's fold everything in. This looks so good. Let me get rid of, there's still a little more dressing left in this bowl. Come on now. You don't want your seafood salad, from what I've been researching, you don't want your seafood salad too wet, okay? You must just have the right amount of dressing in there. Ooh, I got a bell pepper on my finger here. No. You don't just eat it yet, okay? Look at that. Amazing. So I'm gonna set this aside, or maybe I should put it in the fridge. You know what? Let me put it in the fridge to chill. So I'm gonna grab my mandolin and I'm gonna get it to the right level. I think that's a 1. So Let me cut the ends off of here. I'm gonna use, remember, low carb, okay? So let's see how thin this is. Oh, it's very thin. It needs to be a little thick on the thick side. Let's try level 2. Okay, that can work. I'm just gonna slice. Not a lot. So I have my cucumbers here. This is going to be my late night snack. Because it's almost midnight when I'm filming this. And then I'm gonna grab my salad here. Just look at how pretty this plate is. Man, look at that. Let's try it. Cucumber. Oops. I'm gonna get some shrimp on here. The shrimp have dill already on there. So the shrimp has some dill. Let me get some crab and onion on here. A little bit of celery and bell peppers. So bell pepper. Can it all fit on the cucumber? Come on now. Don't fall off. Alright, so I got everything. Now, look at how beautiful. This would make a great hors d'oeuvres or appetizers, right? That's what they call them. So let's taste it. So good. It's not sweet because you know I added the honey. It's refreshing, you know, and light. Yeah, it's very yummy. Go ahead and try this recipe. Like I said, I'll leave the recipe in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, and leave a comment. What did you like about this video today? Okay, let me know. I'm still learning how to maneuver this camera. So, yeah. Well, it's been real. See you in the next one. Bye. Wait a minute. I have to try it with some club crackers. Wait, let's see. I have some club crackers right here. I'm just gonna grab some up. I'll tell you what it tastes like with the crackers. It's bussin'. And I can double dip because this is my plate. So good. So good. I had to come back and tell you guys that.